Welcome to the channel. I'm Jay Malone. Let's talk about me getting reported to the FAA for illegal drone flying. If this is your first time to the channel and you enjoy photography, drones, technology, and other related stuff, then start off by hitting that subscribe button. When you do, tap the little bell icon next to it. That way you won't miss anything. So let's talk about this FAA issue. To be clear, this happened several months ago, but I never really shared the story. Here's what happened. I received a phone call one day that... Hold on, let's change this up. Okay, so I was actually on top of this roof helping put a new roof on my sister's house when I got the phone call. So my phone rang and I almost didn't even answer it, but finally I swiped it open and I answered it. When I answered, the guy on the phone told me that he was from the FAA office in Little Rock and he was calling me about a video that I had uploaded showing me flying illegally. I thought it was a prank, and I even asked the guy, "This is a prank, right? Who put you up to this?" Nope, it wasn't a prank. So then he told me it was the video showing rice harvest that was the illegal video. Really? My rice harvest video? Okay, let's go somewhere else. By the way, it's hot outside. There's some pretty weird looking clouds up here. Hopefully it's not fixing to storm. So this rice harvest video, I filmed way back here away from everything. We're talking away from any airport, pretty much out in the open. So what was wrong? But it was 2016 and the FAA had implemented the Part 107 rules for commercial work. I had decided that as soon as I could, I would go and take the test and get my remote pilot certificate, but until then, I just wouldn't shoot any commercial work. But this guy from the FAA was telling me that this rice harvest video that I had just uploaded was actually considered commercial work. But here's how this video shoot went down. Oh man, I just felt a raindrop. I called up my friend who is a farmer and said, "Hey, are you guys cutting rice today?" "You are? Great. How about me coming and filming some drone footage of that?" "Awesome. I'll be right up there." I was not requested to shoot this video, and I sure wasn't getting paid to shoot this video. But according to the FAA, my rice harvest video promoted or furthered the Arndt Farms business as well as my business. And any flight that furthers a business is considered commercial work. Okay, now it's raining. I might have to find a new location. It probably also didn't help that I actually put J Malone Films on the video, so it kind of made it look commercial, I guess. We argued just a little bit about this for a while, but long story short, he told me that until I got my remote pilot certificate, or as some people call it, a Part 107 license, that I would have to stop doing commercial flights like this. And upon further conversations with the FAA, I was told that someone turned me in. That's how they found me. I was told recently by the FAA that they are not actively searching Facebook and looking for people flying illegal, but if someone gives them a tip, of course they have to follow up on it. A few months later, I took the test, I passed it, and I got my remote pilot certificate. So now I can do pretty much all the commercial flying that I want to. And I can promote any business now, including my own. So what are your thoughts on my rice harvest video being considered commercial work by the FAA? Leave me a comment down below. I think I'm going to get rained on now. Man, look at these clouds. Thanks for liking, commenting. Oh man, I got water on there. and subscribing. And until next time, God bless. I don't guess it's going to work outside. There we go.